What's the one thing you do every morning that sets the tone for the rest of your day? Something that's so simple yet so powerful it can completely flip your routine on its head. For me, it's all about starting with a gelatin trick, a daily ritual that's become as essential as brushing my teeth. I add a spoonful of gelatin to my morning water, and as I drink it down, I feel my body start to wake up from the inside out. It's like a gentle nudge, reminding my digestive system to get moving, to drop that sluggish feeling and get ready to take on the day. As the gelatin trick becomes a habit, you'll start to notice the difference it makes, how it helps your body feel more balanced, more grounded. My friend started doing the gelatin trick a few weeks ago, and now she says she can't imagine starting her day without it. Researchers say that incorporating gelatin into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your overall health and well-being, and I've found that to be true. To learn more about how to make the gelatin trick a part of your morning routine, check out the link in the description below. And if you have any questions, be sure to check out the pinned comment where I've shared some of my favorite tips for getting the most out of the gelatin trick.